Hey folks, welcome back to another video. Today we're looking at question 561, array partition. The way we'll be solving this problem is by sorting the array and taking the smallest of the pairs to add to the sum. And why do we need to sort them? The reason why we sort them is because we want to make sure that the elements that are similar, and when I say similar, I mean they're close in value, or they're sometimes they're duplicates, so like duplicates come together. And when we sort them, the difference between them becomes smaller. And when the difference between them becomes smaller and we take the smallest element, it would still give us the sum that's like maximized, because the pairs that we're choosing between, because the difference is really small, because we've sorted them out, it works out. So that's the reason why we need to sort them. It's a relatively simple problem, just a few lines. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is actually have a sum initialized. We'll initialize that to 0. We need to sort the array. Let's call it nums, and then for int I equals 0, I less than nums.length, and you increment I by 2 every single time, and you just add the smallest element of them, so sum would be equal to nums of I. And after you add it, you take 2 steps, and the reason why you're taking 2 steps is because you need to create a pair, and this will give us the sum, and in the end we just need to return the sum. The other question you might have is, how come just +2 works? What if it's like odd numbers? Like the length of the array that's going to us is odd, but one of the constraints that is provided is that it'll always be even. So that's the reason why we don't have to think about that base condition. Awesome. So let's try compiling this. The first few test cases work, everything else works as well. Awesome. So let's talk about the space and the time complexity. The space complexity is of 1 since we're not using any additional space. The time complexity is n log n since we are sorting the array right here. Awesome. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. I'd really appreciate that. It keeps me motivated to make more videos. Thanks so much, and I'll see you folks soon. Peace.